Okay, let's start by opening Access. Yeah, Access 2013. Going to start with a blank database. Click here. Give the file a name, and in our case it is going to be called Videots. However you want to spell it, and make sure that saving it in the right place. I'm just going to save it in my documents, so I'm okay with this, but if you want to save it somewhere else, you can click on the Browse tab and scroll down to a USB or a different hard drive. It's entirely up to you, but I'm just going to leave mine where it is. Happy with that? Click Create. Okay, so we're currently in sort of a table view mode. To create the table, it's automatically started for us. Just click up the top here and put in the name of our first field. So firstly it's a short text, and our first field is called membership number. Click on the next one, short text, title. Click on the next one, short text, first name. Hopefully I won't spell too many things wrong. Click on the next one, short tick, last name, short text, address line 1, address line 2, suburb, state, postcode, and I think I mentioned in my notes that you can also change it into design view, which I'm just going to do now. So I'm going to click over here to design view, give my table a name, which is my members table. Click OK, and in design view you have your fields up the top here, and then you have this whole section down here with the properties and that you can change and update or whatever you need to do with them. We're not going to worry about that for the moment. I'm just showing you that we have a different view. So I can continue here. So postcode, home, phone, phone. My typing is not very good at the moment. Mobile, email address, and finishing off with membership type. Okay, created my members table. Click save and close, and then we can go and create the products table. Now click on create, click on table, or go into table design, whichever you prefer. I actually like going into table design, so I'm going to go into table design. My field name, the first one is barcode. Data type short text. Title short text. Product type short text. Easy, hey? Rating short text. Genre short text. Date released. Now this is where we're going to use a different field type. So instead of short text, just from the drop down list I'm going to select date time. Easy. Not going to change anything else at the moment. We'll look at all those other things later. And number of items, which we are just going to select number. You can actually use the first letter of the type as well, so I could have just typed the letter N and number would have come up. So if I go S for short text, N for number, N for number, you can see it comes up. Okay, so I'm happy with that. Going to click save, give it a name which is products, click OK. Now this will come up because I've gone into table design view. It doesn't come up if you use the table view. It's just because I'm in design view. I'm just going to select yes and let it create it, and we'll talk about what the primary key is later. We actually don't need to have one created, but I'm just going to click yes just so that it looks the same as what it would look if we created it in the table view. And that's it. Close it, and you can see there's our two tables created. And